So today we're going to be changing out the alternator on my 2011 FX35. So I have this Denso alternator right here, and I'm going to be replacing the belt because might as well. The car has 90,000 miles, so it's good to do some maintenance work to it. Before you start, disconnect the negative terminal on the battery so you don't short anything while you remove the alternator. So that's the belt tensioner to remove the belts from the alternator and all those pulleys. Okay, the next step is to remove the plastic shrouds under the car. Alright, so the alternator is right up there, right above the oil filter. Here we are removing the belt tensioner. There's 3 bolts holding the alternator, and one of the bolt is blocked by the tensioner. So here it is, the alternator. There's 3 main bolts that's holding the alternator, so you want to remove those. After those 3 bolts are removed, if you can't get out the alternator by hand, you can use a pry bar and try to wiggle it out. So David's just removing the connector of the alternator from the top, so that's why he's removing the airbox filter, just to get more room. Yep, there's the plug right there. After removing this plug, there should be another connector that's holding it down by just a nut. You should be able to get that from under the car. Here we're having some issues getting the alternator out. There's not a lot of space in there, so there might be some areas that we had to remove some bolts just to get more room. So if you come across that issue, just remove some brackets or whatever surrounding just to get the alternator out. Here is the old alternator and the new one from Denso. I highly recommend using Denso because of their reliability. So here we are swapping the bracket from the old alternator to the new alternator. Time to put in the new alternator back in. Because of this small amount of space to work with, we're trying to put it back in the same angle when we took out the old one. Before we put the bolts back on, we already went ahead and connected the connections in the back. Alright, new alternator is in. Just putting all the bolts back on. Now we're putting on the new belt and the tensioner. There should be a diagram under the hood on how to put the belts back on, but if you don't see it, you can Google the diagram and print it out, or even take a picture of it. Intakes back on, putting the negative terminal back on the battery.
Alright, start it up.
Okay. Moment of truth.
So that's how you install a alternator on a Infiniti FX35. Any questions, just comment below.